Let's dive into a fresh and vibrant recipe today on Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. This chickpea and codfish salad is a perfect balance of protein, color, and flavor, ideal for a light lunch or a hearty starter. Chickpea and codfish salad. 300 grams of cooked chickpeas, 200 grams of codfish, half a green bell pepper diced, half a red bell pepper diced, 1 small onion chopped, 4 eggs, chopped parsley, olives, olive oil, vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Boil the codfish and the eggs in a pot with water for about 10 minutes. In a bowl, combine the chickpeas, codfish, diced peppers, chopped onions, and chopped eggs. Season with olive oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Gently mix everything together. Garnish with parsley and olives before serving. Another wholesome, nutritious, and delicious dish complete. Let the freshness of Portugal fill your table. See you next time.
Faça e coma!